Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video we're going to talk about the best fuel card for owner-operators. This is a video for those of you, whether you're an independent owner-operator or you're leased on. This is the video we're going to share with you on how to get a fuel card that we believe is one of the best ones out there. So let's get started. Also, if you have a brand new authority, this is for a fuel card that's going to be great for you by RTS. Or if you've been in the trucking business for some time, we're going to share with you some of the highlights of this fuel card, what it takes to qualify for it, and how to actually apply. You'll see this link right here to truckingcard.com. That'll take you right to the page to apply for this fuel card, which is right here. You'll see our logo. Obviously, we work with RTS on this particular program. You simply fill out this form. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the highlights. Now keep in mind, RTS also offers factoring services, but with this fuel card, you can use this with or without their factoring services. Some of the highlights of this fuel card is you could save 40 to 50 cents per gallon. You have maintenance and tire discounts at over 290 truck care centers. You could save money at over 3,500 fuel stations. This is a universal card, so you're not limited to one particular type of fuel station. You could use this across the board. In addition to this, when you get this RTS Fleet One fuel card, you also can get a Pilot Flying J unlimited line of credit in addition to this fuel card. And then also you could take advantage of RTS's factoring services. I want to share with you a real quick comparison for those of you truckers, owner-operators, if you're using a credit card right now to pay for your fuel costs. And let's say you're getting 2% money back on using that card. So why should I use a fuel card? I'm going to share with you in this example the benefits for you, and basically you're shifting your expenses from a credit card to this fuel card and how you can save even more money than getting cash back. So in this example, we're using the Spark Business Credit Card, 2% cash back. And let's say you have one vehicle right now, one truck, 1,500 gallons a month you're pumping in this example. You're using diesel fuel. And for those of you, keep in mind, this fleet fuel card is for diesel only. We do have, RTS does have a solution if you have a mixed fleet, if like you have diesel and gas. So I'm going to share with you that also in this video. But to take you back here, let's say you're spending $6,100 a month in fuel, 2% cash back from Spark Business. You're getting $122 back a month. So you're in essence spending around $59.82 a month in fuel costs. Now let's just say you get the Fleet One card and now you're doing the same example, you're using the diesel fuel, 1,500 gallons a month. The average savings is 40 to 50 cents on the RTS Fleet Fuel card. So in this example, we're only using 36 cents, so it's actually more you're going to save. But let's just say 36 cents savings per gallon on your diesel fuel. That's 540 savings per month. So you're only spending now $5,500 in fuel when you take the discounts in savings and fuel. So look at this. If you have just one truck, you're saving $400 more a month doing the same thing you're doing now. Let's say you're using credit card, but if you switch it to your fleet fuel card, you're saving $5,000 a year. Let's just say you multiply that. You had 5 trucks in your fleet. That's $25,000 in savings a year just from using this fleet fuel card. So that's just powerful for those of you who already have been using a credit card. Switch it to this Fleet One fuel card as an owner-operator and you can be saving a lot more money than you are right now. A real quick overview, line of credit is $3,200 line of credit per truck per week on this fuel card. This is a universal card, and to qualify for this card, they're going to run an Experian business credit check on your company. Now, if you don't have a credit file established for your business, then they're going to run a personal credit check for you as an owner-operator. They're going to pull an Experian report, and they want you to at least be at a 650 or higher credit score range. So you can check your personal credit to see where your score range is at. And this does report to Dun & Bradstreet. So as you're using this fuel card, you're paying your invoices on time, that reports to Dun & Bradstreet as far as building up your business credit. So this is accomplishing several things. You're saving money on fuel. You're also building business credit. RTS does have a solution for those of you who have a mixed fleet. Let's say you have some gas vehicles, trucks, and you have diesel. So they do have a mixed fleet fuel card as well. This is the same type of line of credit. The only difference is you're able to use this both for gas and diesel in your fleet. This is an all-in-one fuel card. It's universal. You can use that at the same amount of gas stations, savings. They do also run an Experian commercial check for this particular card, or you have to have a 650 personal credit score. This does report to Dun & Bradstreet as well. So they do have these advantages where you have the diesel-only fuel card and they have a mixed fleet fuel card. Now, once you get that Fleet Fuel 1 card with RTS, now they also are going to add a Pilot Flying J fuel card as well. This is another benefit for you. That is an unlimited line of credit for this. And of course, you can only use it at the Pilot Flying J fuel stations. There's no credit check for this because this is in addition to your RTS Fleet 1 fuel card. No fees. There's 750 locations with diesel discounts. And there's all these benefits of using this particular or having this particular card with Pilot Flying J Fuel. This does also report to Dun & Bradstreet. So this is another way for you to get access to more credit for your trucking business, but also build business credit. In addition to these fleet fuel cards, they have factoring services with RTS. They have same-day funding with no hidden fees, no ACH fees, no invoice upload fees, better fuel discounts. You have also access to credit data on over 90,000 brokers and shippers. They have a simple load management tool. They have a free load board that's also included with thousands of available loads and suggested backhauls. And you have additional savings if you are a U.S. military veteran, which I think is really powerful there. So I just share with you a fleet fuel card that you can get for you as an owner-operator, whether you're leased on or authority or you're independent. Or if you've already been in the trucking business for some time, this is a powerful fuel card for you that gives you access to credit. This helps you build business credit and also helps you save lots of money on your fuel costs. We also have other options for those of you who are looking for, as an owner-operator, if you're looking for ways to get additional credit and you're looking for, maybe you're looking to purchase additional equipment. If you're looking for revolving credit, business credit card funding is one of our most popular funding programs. If you do have a 680 or higher FICO score, we could do a review for you for that. There's no hard inquiry for the review. It's free to do the review. We can give you projections and see what type of credit we can raise for you for your business. So you can check out businesscreditbuilders.org. This is our website right here. You just click on this Pre-Qualify Now tab. We also have a business credit building system. If you're looking for more hands-on, you want to learn how to build business credit. In addition to getting your fuel card, you're looking for other ways, other sources where you can get credit, build up your train lines, and have a healthy credit file for your company. Check out our web-based platform at businesscreditbuilders.org. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe. That way you're notified every single time. Make sure you click that notification bell. And with that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.